Welcome to Dr. Tom's Throttle Therapy. So this week we are in Scotland doing the North Coast 500 with a group of riders called the Dutch Frogs. Two of them came over to do the North Coast, so me and Simon went with them. So this is just a bit of a taster clip. I'm working on the rest of it, but this is when I got took out by the Crazy Dutchman who didn't understand the let's go through this barrier together business. So we're staying at the Leonardo Hotel in Edinburgh, and you'll see for yourself in a second exactly what happens. So pull up to the barrier, and Simon goes through in a sec. A word of caution with these barriers at the Leonardo. As you can see, they go down very quickly. So if you are taking two bikes through, make sure you're side by side when you go through. And Johan didn't care. And in typical biker fashion, did they stop and worry that I was okay? No, they both were laughing. So, yeah. And fortunately, there was no major damage to my bike, just the wing mirror had twisted round. I was quite lucky it was a plastic barrier, not a metal one. So yes, the barrier won. If it had been metal, I'd have probably been toast and come off, but fortunately I managed to stay up and get through it. And yeah, everybody had a good laugh. And all that Simon was worried about was, did he get the footage on his camera?
Fuck's sake. Can't believe that.
This was Dr. Tom's Throttle Therapy, and it's the NC 500.